So now we are going to discuss about what is deadlock. So deadlock is it is an uh, set of process. So deadlock is a situation or condition when two or more processes are holding some resources and trying to acquire some more resources, and they cannot release the resource until they finish their execution. Suppose let us assume one examples. So in uh, this diagram process P1 and P2, and the resources are resource 1 and resource 2. So process P1, they need if they want to complete their execution, they need two resources R1 and R2, and as well as P2 process, they need resources of R1 and R2 in order to complete their executions. So the P1 process put a request for R2 and then already acquired by the R1 resources, as well as P2 process, it is acquired by R2 resources and they put a request for R1. But each and every process holding there some resources and waiting for another resource in order to voluntarily release the resources. So each and every process holding and waiting for some other resources. So this is called a deadlock situation. So deadlock is a process, it is a conditions. So for another example we can say simply, we can say, um, in real time, if two persons calling each others, if A want to calling for B, at the same time B wants to, uh, B is calling, uh, make a phone calling to A. So each both A and B calling each others, uh, so so the phone call is engaged. So the engaging means here we are deadlock is occurs. So both persons are calling each others, so they cannot communicate with each others. So this is a deadlock conditions. So deadlock is a so what are the, so here, how to handle deadlocks. Uh, these are the four conditions, four steps available. First one is deadlock prevention, deadlock avoidance, deadlock detection, and deadlock recovery. So what are the characteristics of deadlock? So if we take first one is mutual exclusion. Conditions for deadlock is first one is mutual exclusion, and then hold and wait, and then no preemption, and then circular wait. So these are the characteristics of deadlocks. So no preemption means a resource can be released, a resource can voluntarily by process itself. Mutual exclusion. So mutual exclusion means, uh, so mutual exclusion means the resource not shareable. So only one process can release the resource at a time. And then hold and wait means a process holding at least one resources and waiting for some another resources in order to execute their process. So and then means circular wait. Circular wait means we already told, one process already acquired resources and waiting for another resources. So that is called circular resource. So these are the deadlock main concept and deadlock definitions. This is the overall view of the deadlock. Okay, thank you.